Hi everyone, Nikita from Cars Off the Wall. We got a U-Haul truck because we don't have a truck that can tow, but right now we're going to be picking up our Nissan Cube. I've never done a Nissan Cube before. So I'm really excited. He does a pretty good job already. Yep. He's pretty straight already. Yep. Okay, you have that much room. Okay. Going down. Keep going down. Okay. Now come this way. Yep. Now lower. Perfect. You did great. Thank you. Oh, he did so good. No damage to the tow dolly. 2012 Nissan Cube. I hope you guys can see it. It looks really good in the front. It kind of looks like a Japanese car. For those of you who don't know, I've been to Japan multiple times. My wife is from Japan, and this is kind of, that front area kind of looks like a Japanese car. Except, you know, the steering wheel is on the other side. Keep watching. We have more to show you on this profit flip. That way we can charge the battery. I am really excited to work on this car. I hope you guys keep watching. And the damage, let me show you real quick. Okay, this is secondary damage here. I think it had a little swipe. I think I should be able to fix that. If not, it's okay. This is where the real damage happened. The whole trunk and the bumper is smashed in. I am only going to work a half day today, but we're going to take the tape off. We're going to take the trunk off, the bumper, everything. I want to look at this car when it's bare. Nothing in it, nothing on it. Let's get to work. Okay, there you go. Okay. Ah! Man, that is some freaking hard tape. You freaking know that? Now you take the tape off and you can see the damage is ugly. I really hope we didn't get something we can't fix. I don't want to have to take it to the frame shop like the Hyundai Elantra. The handle is right here, and I guess we just try and open it. Okay, so it just opens pretty easy. Huh. That's interesting. That's kind of cool. Okay, so I guess the hinge is right there. I'll take off the bolts and we got the door off. Okay. Yeah, get this out. Got it. Okay, wiring harness is safe. No damage. Now we can just take this door off. All right, come on. Okay, only one bolt holding it on now. Come on now, come on. All right, no trunk door. Why don't we get the bumper off and all the stuff inside. It goes onto the trunk door. We'll set it over here. You got the mats. I bet there's so much water in here. No freaking way. The stock radio, that's pretty cool. Let's take the bumper off. Yep. Easy peasy. Oh wow, okay. But unfortunately, no, we're not going to keep it. Just a bunch of broken parts and that nothing's held together. Get the right pressure and tension. There you go. we've got a couple bolts right there. Literally. Gosh, I got dirt everywhere. All right, we got cleanup to do, guys. Right here, clean up that whole mess, and then we'll come back to you. Got all of the garbage cleaned up. Now we just have a bunch of bolts that is keeping all of this bent and broken up plastic. Notice how we put all the bolts back where they belong, just so that we don't lose them later. The more you can do like that, the better it is for you, especially if you're taking a few days to maybe a week to finish your car like this. You're not going to want to forget where bolts go. And then all the extra bolts, like the push pins and whatnot, they just get put right here. I'm excited to see the bare metal. Aren't you? Maybe. Back it off. Here we go. All right, now I want to kind of take all this interior off so that we have somewhere to push. We need to push this out as much as we can. Okay, got that off. That's completely warped. We don't want that. Got these bad boys. Gotta get. That's for the shock. We do not want to take that bolt out. We just want. Ouch. Oh, I see. Take the slide off. Take these off. We gotta somehow. Okay, and then you pull it out. It's actually quite easy. Look at that. Oh, this, all of that comes off? Come on, really? Ouch. Ouch. Okay. But the seats are like in the way, kinda. No way. We got it without breaking anything. All right. All right. Okay. This is how I do it. You know, you just slowly move it back and forth, and everything kind of pops out with that movement. You don't want to just break it because you might do too much force and it might just pop off. All right. All right. Success. Everything. I really just have to push right there and we're good to go. We have a 2011 Nissan Cube that happens to be the right color. I had ordered parts for our Nissan Cube, the whole rear end, trunk, bumper, metal bumper, tail lights. It was like $600 for everything. And I found this car. She was selling it for 800 bucks. So we picked it up. She posted for 1,500. We negotiated down to 800. Apparently the engine light's on, like it's just not running really well and it'll just stop all of a sudden. But we don't care because we're just taking the parts that we need. So we spent a little more money to have a whole car. So we're gonna go tow this home. We already did the paperwork and everything. Let's get it onto the dolly. And man, we're gonna be able to fix our Nissan Cube so quick because we have all the parts. All we have to do is plug and play. Push the metal, make sure everything lines up with the trunk, and then we're done. How cool is that?
Oh. It doesn't go?
Yeah, it doesn't go. It did before, but it's not now.
Oh, wow. Got it!
Okay.
Yay!
um, it actually is really easy when I think about it, but my personality, when I'm doing things alone, I get really concerned and I want to make sure I do it really safely, really properly. And that's why it looks like we take time and time again, like, come on, just do it, Nikita. But I want to be very careful. And it's because I had a pretty bad experience one time at the auction where I went over the dolly and it was resting on the oil pan. It was horrible.
Yeah.
I had a jack. We were able to jack it up and somehow we were able to get out of that situation. But
Yeah.
never again. It's perfect. Let's get it home. Thank you guys for watching. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Well, fellas, we are able to work on the Nissan Cube now, 2011. This car is amazing. Well, scratch that. This car is a park car. That's not amazing. It can't run and drive. Transmission is toast. We're going to take all the parts. I've already taken the door off the park car. We've swapped them. This is the door from the other one. That's bad. We're going to take all of these parts here and we are going to put them on the new car. Let's get to work. I'm Nikita from Cars Off the Wall. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and comment and sub and keep watching. It's a fun video. I hope. Pop those up. Pop those up and use our push pin plier and pull them up just like so. That was easier than I thought. Maybe I didn't need it. Yeah, I didn't need the tool. Okay, what comes off? Okay, so we got that to come off. We'll put that right by here where no one's gonna step on it for a while. And what do we have? Well, I certainly do not know how to. Yeah, okay. This side is practically done. Just probably a push pin on the bottom. Bumper can. Okay. What? I just ripped it off. This freaking something's wrong. It should come off easy. And then we got two bolts right there as well. This is really important, by the way. Okay, both of them are above it now. Oh, okay, middle light came off pretty easy. That's important. I think now we can access more bolts to get the tail light out, hopefully. Why they make it so freaking hard. All right. Tail light secured. Oh, the bumper's coming off way easy now. Push it and pull. Bumper should come off. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And headlight, tail light secured. We are going to need the bumper as well. Let's take that off. And we should be good. These brackets as well, we should take them off. Let me check the other brackets real quick. Now we're gonna do some pulling right there. Let's get to work. Alrighty, so now our next job is to get this to push out and be even. Hopefully the hinge will move out a little more and the door will close on the hinge. We're going to be pushing on the bolt right here, which is strong. We're going to be pushing against here, see what happens. Nikita from Cars Off the Wall. We are at our picture spot. We bought the 2012 Nissan Cube out the door from IAAI auction for $2,300. Isn't that a good deal? I think it's a great deal. However, it had very extensive damage. Come look.